Let's learn to use Altair to perform visualization using the Altair library. You'll need to install Altair and Vega datasets. You'll also need to install Jupyter Lab. Let's get to the command prompt and type this in, Jupyter Lab. This opens up a localhost lab console for us to code in. This is where you'll be typing in your code, and this is also where you'll find the output. You can explore the menus and all the options. Let's import pandas and create a data frame. We'll be plotting for this data frame now. To run this, we can press Shift and Enter together. Now let's import Altair as Alt and create a chart object on data. This is the data represented as a point. And here the X channel encodes the variable A, but this is still not enough. We still have multiple points overlapping within each category. Let's further separate the data introducing the Y channel. If for each value of A, we wanted the average value of B, would call average on B. So the average of B is around 4.3 for C, 3 for D, and 6.375 for E. This is a bar plot for the same data, and this is it horizontally. Here the y-axis represents A and the x-axis represents the average of B. And this is the same chart in red. Let's import the first 5 records from the cars dataset from Vega. This is a bubble plot on this cars dataset. Here we use tick marks to mark these points. And this is a mess. Using lines to denote the points here is certainly not a good idea. Here's that bubble plot again, but with colors this time. We can choose a continuous color value with a color scale. This is an interactive chart. We can look around and even zoom in and out. Altair's Selection API creates interactive plots that also lets us create an interval selection. We can now shut the kernel down by pressing Ctrl and C together.